Okay, this is called lawnmower mud bucket. This is Nick Walker here. I don't know which is better. It's his phone, not mine. So yeah, this is fucking pretty much with the old lawnmower. There's my beast. Here's him. Oh, you're gonna get her fucked. Where's it? I know the cattails are in the way. Oh. Nick! Yeah, so this is the end. It's a minute long, but oh well. I stuck before we end the video. Okay, we'll keep going just for a little longer. Huh? We're still going until you get out. You guys, this is how you fuck. This is how you fuck a lawnmower tire.